Hello guys, welcome back to yet another series. My name is Yoshi. This series is called Shutter Secrets. And in this first episode I'm going to keep it short and simple, and this is the whole concept of this series as well. Today I'm going to talk about how you can drastically remove noise in your photos by using the brand new noise reduction tool inside Lightroom Classic and Lightroom. So without further ado, let's roll that intro. So and it is really simple. All you need to do is import your favorite RAW photo with a lot of noise in it. Hit the noise reduction button and then let the magic happen by artificial intelligence. One piece of advice guys, don't over exaggerate the effect, because if you slide the slider all the way to 100%, your people will get a plastic doll look, and that's something you don't want in your shots. I suggest an amount of 25 to 50% maximum. This feature currently is only available with RAW photos and not JPEGs. So one other reason to keep recording and snapping your photos in RAW formats. That being said, I really hope you liked this short format video. If you did, please hit a thumbs up. If you didn't already, hit that subscribe button for more videos. Let me know in the comments down below what other quick tips and tricks you want to see in next videos. And that being said, the only thing that rests me to say is that you don't need to be great to start, but start to become great. See you in the next video. Bye!